You are out in the wild, the perfect moment unfolds. Light is perfect, the animal is right in the frame. You click, and the image doesn't do justice to what you just saw. So naturally, you ask yourself, is it my camera or is it the lens? Hey everyone, I'm Arzu, a wildlife photographer and a photography mentor. And today we are diving deep into the classic dilemma. Should you upgrade your camera or your lens first? I'll walk you through both sides, share real wildlife examples, and reveal a pro tip at the end that could save you thousands. So stay till the end, it's worth it. Upgrading gear is exciting, but also overwhelming. And at times it can be super expensive. In the photography world, especially for wildlife shooters, there's this constant wave of gear FOMO. Some say invest in a lens. Focal length, compression, bokeh, that's what makes a lot of magic in your photos. Others argue you need the latest camera body, better dynamic range, higher FPS, eye autofocus, etc. etc. So who's actually right? The answer isn't black and white. It depends on what gear you already have, what you shoot, and where you are currently getting held back. Let's explore each side and help you figure out the right move for your photography journey. A good lens can dramatically improve the image quality even if you're using an entry-level or an older camera body. Here's what upgrading lens can give you. Sharper images. High-quality lenses have better glass and better coatings. Better low light performance. Wider aperture allows much more light in. Creamier bokeh. It is essential for portraits and subject separation. Faster and more accurate autofocus, especially with premium lenses like the Sony G Masters. Greater focal length. It's very important for wildlife photographers to get that extra reach. In wildlife photography, your reach is in the end everything. A longer, faster lens lets you frame tighter and lets you shoot from farther away without disturbing the animal. For example, this is a shot on a 400 with a basic camera. This is a shot with a flagship super expensive camera paired with a beginners to intermediate lens, the 200-600. So what do you understand? It's not just about the camera, your lens do a lot of heavy lifting. Now let's talk about when camera body is the problem. You might need to upgrade if your autofocus is too slow or keeps missing. Your low light performance is terrible, grainy images at dawn or dusk. You miss action because your frame rate is low, say 5 FPS when you need at least 30 or 40. You're doing more videos and you need better specifications like 4K, 10-bit, in-body stabilization, log videos, or you have simply outgrown the features that your camera offers. If you shoot birds in flight or let's say animals in motion, better autofocus and high FPS can be the game changers for you. My Sony A9 Mark III shoots 120 FPS that gives me dozens of images to pick that perfect split-second moment from. Also, newer mirrorless cameras offer some amazing features like animal eye tracking, silent shutter, better buffer for shooting, all of which makes a lot of difference in the field. Now let's talk about budget. Be practical, budget matters a lot. A good wildlife lens like a 200-600 can cost about 1.5 to 2 lakhs approximately. A mid-tier camera body, something like A60-700 or an R7 might be around 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. My suggestion would be, if your camera is less than 4 to 5 years old and performs reasonable, upgrade your lens. If your camera is outdated or let's say lacks features, you need to upgrade your camera. Now, do you remember that pro tip I was talking about in the beginning? Listen to this carefully. Always rent before you buy. Rent a high-end lens and try it with your current camera body. Then do the reverse. Rent a better camera and use it with your existing lens. Field test both the options, review the results. You will exactly know where the bottleneck lies. Let's talk about the balanced approach. Here's the approach that worked for me and what I recommend to my students. In your early photography journey, invest in lenses. They retain value longer and elevate your creative control a lot. As your technique matures, upgrade your camera body to match up with your creativity needs. Photography is about vision. Gear only helps you to get to that vision. So choose the tools that currently limits your vision the most and start from there. My golden rule is buy the best lens you can afford. Upgrade your camera only when your vision exceeds what it can deliver. If this helped clarify your upgrade journey, hit the like button and tell me in the comments what is your next gear move. Subscribe if you want more content like this, practical, honest and field tested. This is Arzu. See you in the next video.